Hello friends, I am Varsha Sharma, working as assistant professor in the Biyani group of colleges. On the behalf of Guru KPO, I am presenting lecture on the topic of liquidity ratio or a short-term solvency ratio. Ratio shows the arithmetic relationship between the two variables. It can be expressed in the three terms. First one is as a proportionate, as a turnover or times, or as a percentage. Today we discuss the liquidity ratio or a short-term solvency ratio. Liquidity ratio are used to measure the ability of the firm to meet its short-term obligation out of its short-term resources. There are three types of liquidity ratios or a short-term solvency ratios. First one is current ratio, liquid quick or acid test ratio, and third one is absolute liquid ratio. First, current ratio. Current ratio shows the relationship between the current assets and the current liabilities. Current assets are those assets which we can convert into the cash within a period of 1 year. Current assets includes cash, bank, debtors, bills receivables, prepaid expenses, advance payment and short-term investment. Second is current liabilities. Current liabilities are such obligations which are paid within a 1 year out of our current assets. Current liabilities includes bank overdrafts, creditors, bills payable, outstanding expenses, unearned income, proposed dividend, provision for taxation. Current ratio formula is current assets upon current liability. Its ideal ratio is 2:1. If this ratio is higher than 2:1, maybe it is good for the creditor's point of view, but it is not good for the management point of view because it denotes the bad financial planning. If this ratio is higher, it reveals many shortcomings. First one is large funds laying ideal, realization from the debtors is at a low rate, poor and inefficient investment policy. If this ratio is less than 2:1, then it reveals shortage of the working capital in the firm. Working capital means current assets minus current liability. It means current liabilities are more than our current assets. And second is shortage of firm, shortage of cash. It creates a lack of cash for the payment of the creditors. And third one is reductions of the goodwill. Second short-term solvency ratio is liquid or a quick acid test ratio. Its formula is liquid assets divided by current liability. Liquid assets is equals to current assets minus stock plus prepaid expenses. Current liabilities are as same thing as in the current ratio. Its ideal ratio is 1:1. If our ratio is 1:1, it denotes the sound and the good financial position of the organization. Third ratio is absolute liquidity ratio. Absolute liquidity ratio shows the immediate cash positions of the firm on the particular date. Absolute liquid means cash, bank and marketable security. Marketable security means those securities which we can easily buy or sell in the market. Its formula is absolute liquid assets divided by quick liabilities. Absolute liquid assets, cash, bank and marketable securities, and quick liabilities are current liabilities minus bank overdraft. Thank you so much. For the further details, please log on www.gurukpo.com.